I feel like the energy of regret in the past. So we have this one letter. We also have new in either way. We also got the luck. Okay, so far, to be honest with you, may magandang parating sa inyong buhay. And I feel like it's for the best na may nangyari noong past para na rin kayo matuto. And so far, so good because luck is on your side. We also have this one, beautiful. So, I felt thrown sa butterfly na nandito. Ibig sabihin lang nun is transformation, okay? So, kaya may mangyari maganda sa inyong buhay kasi you are someone na kung may nangyari hindi maganda, you are learning from it. Because you are growing to be a better person, kaya nangyari niyan, nagkaroon ka na ng beautiful soul or maybe umayos yung iyong buhay kasi di mo na ginagawa yung mga dati mong pagkakamali. Pero mag-ingat pa rin kayo with the Joker being here. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga tao na I feel like sinungaling. Okay, so iwas kayo sa scammer. So we have the truth. I feel like normal lang na magkamali din, okay? Kasi, you know, we are innocent back then. Of course, we are doing something na you know, minsan ay talagang di nakakabuti. But yet, you are learning, don't worry. So, yun nga, nabanggit ko kanina, umiwas ka sa mga tao na sinungaling kasi si truth is naka-reverse. Iwas kayo sa scammers, okay? Dapat matuto na kayo sa pagkakamali nyo noong past. So, we have the mirror. We also got 5 in reverse. Okay, so nalungkot ako dito kasi siguro yung iba sa inyo, you know, hindi pa rin kayo nadala. Okay? Kasi with the near being here, ibig sabihin siguro yung iba sa inyo, you still choose to be with the wrong person. Yung mga sinungaling na yan. Umiwas kayo kung maaari sa mga sinungaling na tao. Matuto na kayo sa pagkakamali nyo kasi may potential talaga na umayos yung inyong buhay. Kaya naging in either ways inyo natin, as you can see here, kasi yun nga, may tendency rin na yung iba sa inyo ay still dikit ng dikit sa mga taong sinungaling, sa mga taong scammer or budol. So we have this one, 7 in either way. We also got this. So this is actually sad, guys, okay? Maybe some of you are still dealing with a person na may habol sa inyo, which means ginagamit ka niya. Okay? So, umiwas na kayo maaari sa mga taong ganyan para umayos naman yung iyong buhay at magkaroon ka ng bagong simula din. I feel like your life is just ruined by the wrong people, to be honest with you. At I feel like this time around, maging wise kayo, guys. Napaka-importante niyan. Kasi kung ulit at uulit lang kayo sa same cycle, mangyayari niyan, isuulit na naman yung inyong pagkakamali. So, make sure that you're not actually doing again same patterns. Kasi mag-regret na naman kayo. Alright? So, anyway, that's it, guys. And God bless all of you.